Welcome back to another episode of TL's Hobby Center. Today we're going over the Aston Martin 007 Spy Car. And this is a Speed Champions Lego piece. And this is a model number 76911. And as you can see, it's our favorite Aston Martin that's been seen for many years with all the spy movies of 007. And yeah, it's going to be a neat one to build. I've never seen the newest movie yet, but it's a neat little car. I never really looked too far into what these cars actually look like for the Aston Martins, but these are definitely iconic. I've seen the car from afar, but I've never seen one in person. But this is gonna be interesting to do because I wonder if they have any cool spy gadgets in this thing or not. So yeah. Before we get into it though, subscribe and also leave a like and comment if you guys built this yet, and let me know your experience with this. I'm always curious to know what you guys all built and are doing these days with all different kind of Legos, because I'm pretty sure that there's definitely many crazy styles of cool Lego cars out there. So but there's a 298 piece puzzle, so we're gonna jump into this and see what we can get into. So let's go and jump into the puzzle. Okay, so what we got here is our typical 2-system bag puzzle. We got the first bag with all the main goodies. It's gonna have the chassis for the car, and the one over here is gonna have the wheels and tires and the finishing touches on the body. We got our oh so wonderful stickers that we always fight with for big hands. Can't always get them in the tightest spots, so we'll do the best we can and get them as straight as we can, because they're never promised to be straight. So we get a little guy, it looks like a 007, and that's our part list of the books. And this looks like it's going to be supposedly 85 step cars, hopefully. So yeah, it's gonna be a neat one to build. It's got some nice looking wheels, I can tell you that much. There's different flavors of cars that we already started on. We're building that one, did that one, did that one, and did that one. I got that one, don't got that one. So we'll be seeing what we can do. I got a few other projects we can jump into, but I have to say that's enough talking. Let's start building. There we go. Got ourselves a nice 007 spy car, Aston Martin. Good old James Bond. And this car is actually kind of neat to build. They have exactly what I was hoping for, spy gadgets, as usual. So, I mean, got rubber tires. Quick. This actually was a quick, easy build. It wasn't nothing complicated, luckily. It actually went together pretty quick. This one was about an hour, actually. So, pretty quick and easy. Not too bad. The roof on this, I like most, or better than most of their Speed Champions style of these cars. But this is a pretty cool setup because you got your James Bond as usual, and he has a wrench if you want, or which I wasn't expecting this to be in here, but we got one. Is we got a little gun, so he can go on spy missions now, which is kind of cool that they actually included that because he's a spy. He's gonna need weapons, so he got that as a part of his weaponry, or his arsenal, I should say, for his spy gadgets. We can leave him back in the car because that's all we're gonna need of him. We can stow him away, and boom. Car actually looks really good. I'm surprised how close they actually got it to look like a old school Aston Martin. You can see it has little exhaust tips, side view, front view, and rear view. So what I really like is actually they have all the tail lights, the nameplates, all the different badges, and the silver Lego cubes, which is kind of cool because I've never seen that on a Lego yet. But another addition to the spy gadgets is it actually comes with multiple license plates for this. Let's see, you can pull them all out. So you got yourself 5 different sets of license plates for this, which is pretty cool because you can change it out if you wanted to make like a stop motion picture. You can always go and just change out if you ever were doing a cool looking little scene of him trying to get away from either bad guys or cops. So neat that they included that. They don't have to, but it's pretty cool. But all in all, I think it's a pretty good build. Nice little car. And it feels actually pretty sturdy compared to most of these cars, so pretty happy with that. I think that's going to do it for us on this one. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys sticking around, and we'll catch you on the next build. Keep on building.